Kia ora tātou te whānau o Awanuiārangi. As of today, all of us in Aotearoa are under Alert Level 2, or as the Prime Minister described for Auckland, Alert Level 2.5. Last week, we communicated to you what this will look like on all our campuses. I won't go into the detail of this in this video message, but I strongly encourage you to please read the emails we sent out and the FAQs on our website, so you are across what our response is at the different alert levels. Things don't change too much for our people outside of Auckland, but for our kaimahi and tauira at our Tāmaki campus, I am sure you will welcome being able to return to campus. What I do want to emphasize is that despite where we are now, things can still change quickly. We all need to be vigilant and ensure we do everything we can to stay safe. We also need to do our part to ensure we are always prepared to move up and down alert levels quickly. This means adjusting our ways of working, teaching, and learning accordingly. The communications we send out at each alert level describe what Awanuiārangi as a whole needs to do at each alert level. But I encourage you to also reflect individually on how each alert level impacts on your mahi and your studies so that you can be prepared and adjust as required. I also want to take some time now to go through those simple measures we each need to take to keep ourselves, your whānau, and all of Aotearoa safe on campus and off campus. Stay home if you're sick. This is still the best thing you can do as an individual to stop the spread of COVID-19. If you have any COVID-19 or flu-like symptoms, please get tested. If you are considered vulnerable and at risk, please stay home and deliver your programs online if possible. Please talk to your kaiako and your manager so we are aware and can ensure arrangements are in place for you to carry out your studies and your mahi. Please wear a mask when you're out and about. This is compulsory on all public transport from 31 August. Follow our contact tracing protocols. Signing in at the reception is compulsory. This requirement is there to keep you safe. Every organisation needs to have their own QR code from the New Zealand COVID Tracer app displayed on site. These have been put up at all our campuses. Our EVA QR code is also there for scanning on entry or signing in using the manual register at reception. You need to use at least one of these contact tracing options. Practice safe hygiene. This includes washing your hands regularly with soap and water and coughing or sneezing into your elbow. Main physical distancing. At alert level 2, this is 2 meters. In Auckland, gatherings are still limited to 10 people, except for tangihana and funerals where the limits are 50 people. We'll continue to keep you all updated on our COVID-19 responses as needed, and please don't hesitate to reach out if you need support. Our website also has several useful links on support available to tauira and kaimahi during these times. Please continue to be vigilant, stay safe, look after each other, and look after yourselves. Thank you for your time, your commitment, and continued support whānau. Nō reira e te whānau, ko te tūmanako kei te noho pai koutou, I Waenganui o koutou whānau. Ko te tūmanako mā te rungarawa tātou katoa e manaaki I enei wā. Nō reira, noho ora mai, kia ora tātou.